the detention of President Mohamed Bazoum, and efforts to unconstitutionally change the legitimate government of the Republic of Niger, while expressing concern over the negative impact of unconstitutional change of government in the region, increase in terrorist activities, and the dire socioeconomic situation. They also underscored the urgent need for the restoration of constitutional order in Niger in accordance with the ECOWAS Protocol on Democracy and Good Governance, and expressed their support for regional continental mediation efforts. Earlier this week, members of the Security Council had acknowledged that the withdrawal of MINUSMA from Mali is likely to have serious implications in the already concerning security situation in the region. In that regard, the Council commended the efforts by ECOWAS, including during the 09 July ordinary sessions in Bissau, to explore ways of tackling the security challenges in the region. Confident that today's meeting will go a long way in charting the way forward on the regional and international response to the situation. The agencies, funds, and programs of the United Nations country team in Niger are present and continue to deliver much-needed assistance to vulnerable populations. On behalf of the Secretary General, UNOWAS and the entire United Nations system remain available to work closely with ECOWAS in the spirit of complementarity in support of the people of Niger and other countries in the region going through difficult times in the realization of their legitimate aspiration.